Hi guys, sorry it was a long time, don't see you guys. I get sick for a few days and I got this trip to Toronto and Halloween jail hunting. Here we're back. As you remember, it's gonna be a Konafa dessert, Egyptian Konafa. Let's do it! So what we need for this dessert is, it's called Konafa. It looks like this, like a noodle kind of dough, but not cooked. Very thin, so raw. And rose water, vanilla powder, crushed pistachio, raw, it's not roasted. 300 gram ricotta cheese, mozzarella, like real mozzarella, not salted. Try to have the one that's no salt. 2 cups of sugar, some raisin. So put them in water for like half an hour to plump them up. So we'll start with syrup first, because you have to cook it and make it cool down. Because one of the important things when you make desserts with syrup, the syrup has to be cold. And when you add it to the dessert, like any Eastern dessert like Mediterranean, you have to, the dessert will be hot and the syrup has to be cold. If it's not like that, it's gonna fall apart. So we will start with the syrup first. 2 cups of water, same amount of sugar, white sugar. And this actually you can make more, and it doesn't go bad, doesn't expire fast, because it's sugary, like jam. Just to keep any food for a long time, it has to be sugar or salt, like pickle or jam. That's why it stays for long, even if you don't put it in the fridge. And we'll add a little vanilla. And we will add also a few drops, like 5-6 drops of rose water. So here guys, we will start to put some ghee. We will make it all little touch of ghee. Even the edges, just to make it melt a little bit, or more than just 1 minute here. So here guys, get it melt a little bit. So we will take this one. And just make it fluffy like this. So don't leave other part like chunk. Make it all like separated. No big chunk. So it's gonna be like doughy when you eat it. That's one of the points. They make it very thin like that. So don't be like a kind of cake or like doughy thing. No, it will be soft because they have heavy stuff. Guys, the most important thing when you make food, or you to get what you need, so we need it fluffy and separated, you have to do those the raisin. Guys, when it start boil, let it boil like for 5 minutes, and you will add half lemon to it. Not even full half lemon. And that's it. So here guys, we're gonna add the ricotta cheese. And we'll take some of the syrup and we will add some of the syrup we make. Just to make it a little liquid. So here guys, we will take the raisin from the syrup to add it to the ricotta cheese with little syrup, and we'll mix it. Make sure you add it to the middle, because when you have it in the middle, you can't control it. If you put it on one side, it's hard to put it all the other side, because the Konafa will move, because it's gonna be stuck in it. One, two, three, four. After that, we will go gently. We'll make it all everywhere, the stuffing we have, and we will add some pistachios. When you do the edges, guys, you lose a lot in the. A lot of people has this problem, so just with little trick you can put just your hand here, just to the edge, so you can put and you control it with the hand. You got what I mean? We will add this beautiful mozzarella. The same trick. Start with the edges. Make sure the mozzarella everywhere. That's it. So guys, we take half of the Konafa first, and we keep the half. So the second half, after we put the stuff and the cheese, we're gonna add some ghee in it. Because this is gonna be for the presentation in top, with the color. As what we say. And here guys, also start with the edges. We'll press like this, guys. Press. Oven 280 to 300, depends how the oven you have, if it's like strong or no. If it's strong 280, if it's not 300. To hell. Here we go. Beautiful. Looks like gold. And here guys, has to be cold. guys go like this, don't pull, because all this coloring gonna be white, because you're gonna bring what inside. Just like kind of point it, don't swipe. Allez, hop! Try this then. Look at this bar. This is my Konafa. I have to go. You don't have stuff to do. Bye.